fighting spirit. Alam mo yun, na kaya ko to, gagawin ko to, magagawa ko to. Kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao, focus lang ako, kaya ko to.
Ang gusto kay Janine, actually parang compared to me, hindi siya apektado. She's really focused kung ano yung natingin niyang gagawin niya. Ito, todo. And nakita ko talaga yung effort. Every time nagkikita kami, kasi pinukumusta ko siya pumapayat kasi siya sobra. Para po yan sa mga Pilipinong talagang grabe sumuporta kay Janine. Ginawa po talaga niya for you. Kasi talagang the dedication ni Janine, from gym to diet, aside from, di ba, sa walk, sa makeup, pati personality, communication skills, lahat po yan pinag-aaralan. I mean, everyday po, laging may trainings. Especially now na malapit na, for sure, wala na pong tulong si Janine.
Totoo. Kaya sa mga nag-aakala ko na ang pagsali ng beauty pageant ay ganun kadali.
Ay, nako.
Hindi ko talaga. Hindi ko biro ang maging isang beauty queen.
If you get compared to other girls na, alam mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo talaga mako-compare. Kasi we're all very different. We have different personalities. So, ang sabi ko kay Janine, ang dapat mo lang gawin is stay true kung ano ka. Hindi mo kami, ibang-iba kami, di ba? Pero it doesn't mean na mas magaling isa sa isa or ito yung hinahanap ng Miss Universe. Kasi every year, nagbabago talaga.
Janine, anak, naka, this is it. Matagal-tagal natin tumihintay. Alam namin na kayang-kaya mo. Alam namin yon at nakikita namin yon. Pag may mga times, kasi may mga times na hindi talaga may iwasan na masasad ka, na parang madidepress ka, na parang mapipressure ka. Talagang yung faith mo lang ang balikan mo dahil yun ang makakatulong sa'yo. So, we love you and alam namin na mananalo ka.
I know you really wanted to win and you're doing your best just to, make the Filipinos proud of you. Kahit anong mangyari, we will always be proud of you. God bless and we love you.
Wow! Maraming salamat, Nancy! Venus! Kahit anong nangyari, we will always be proud of you, Janine.
Thank you, Shamsi. Thank you po.
Welcome to the ball. Alam mo, Janine, first time I've seen you, ang ganda mo talaga.
Ay?
Now, Janine, let's go back a bit. Kasi, di ba, considering the past 2 years, both Venus and Shamsi did so well sa Miss Universe pageant, di ba? 4th runner-up si Venus, 3rd runner-up naman si Shamsi. Tapos ikaw, I'm sure you have big shoes to fill. Grabe ba yung pressure na nararamdaman mo?
Sobra po. Naalala ko nung last year, after malala ni Shamsi, in-interview kami mga past winners, na sinabi ko, sobra yung pressure ng next Miss Universe Philippines. So, hindi ko alam, ako pala yung next Miss Universe Philippines.
Parang escalation ng success yan, di ba? From 4th runner-up, 3rd runner-up, tapos dapat Miss Universe na. So you feel that people think that you should bring home the crown?
Yes, actually, yun yung talagang na-feel ko after winning Parang, my friends are inviting me na, tara, victory party tayo. So, ako, wait lang, kasi parang hindi pa naman ako talaga panalo kasi hindi pa tapos yung Miss Universe. So talagang ako gusto ko lang muna sa bahay. Ako munang magpa-party, ayoko muna mag-celebrate nung mga days after Pilipinas.
Now, if we go back to the DTR, makikita mo talaga yung support ni Venus at ni Shamsi para sa'yo. Sobrang nakakatuwa. Gano'n ka-importante naman yung personal guidance na binigay nila sa'yo?
Sa akin kasi parang sila yung mga tao na talaga may pinaka-tama or siguro yun nga, tamang payo na masasabi kasi sila yung galing na doon. So, sobrang laking tulong nilang dalawa kasi every time na magkikita kami nila Shamsi at ni Venus, tinatanong talaga ano bang ginagawa. Si Shamsi talagang inisa-isa niya from day 1 kung anong gagawin yung pagdating mo doon, day 2, day 3. Inisa-isa na yon. So, yun, sobrang laking tulong po kasi parang alam mo na whatever happens, talagang proud sila sa'yo.
Pero you were not as lucky as Shamsi and Venus kasi sila pumuntang Colombia. Hindi na Colombia. But ikaw, ano yung mga preparations or training na ginawa
Yun po, the usual, yung catwalks, makeup training, personality development, gym. Gym talaga yung parati, yung hindi nahinto, simula.
Nakapili ka na ba ng gown na susuotin mo? What color will you be wearing?
Hindi po kasi ako yung mag-decide Pero I think na ginagawa na, I don't know. Sorry, hindi ko talaga alam.
So you don't know
yet?
yet?
Sa akin kung meron ng gown or national costume.
Oo.
So, I don't know yet.
Now, as a beauty queen, what a lot of people don't realize, marami mga sacrifices na pinagdadaanan. How's your family supporting you naman in this journey?
They're very supportive, especially my mom, my dad, and my sister. Kasi they're all going to Las Vegas. Manonood sila, pati yung mga tita ko doon. Parang yun, lagi lang naman nila sinasabi, have faith.
Have faith.
If it's yours, it's yours. Just do your best. Kasi pag ginawa mo naman lahat, then that God do His work.
Oo, nalaman namin, meron ka pa ng inspirasyon sa buhay. 7 months na kayo, many hearts will be broken. Tell us about this special someone sa buhay mo.
Ayun.
Pupunta ba siya sa contest?
Na-deny po siya sa visa.
So, hindi siya pupunta?
Papunta, parang gusto kong kausapin yung consul nun eh. Parang, bakit? Ako yung magtatango sa'yo eh. Hindi naman kami, di ba?
Ano pinag-usapan niyo ba? Let's say, kung manalo ka, syempre iba na yung buhay mo, magiging busy ka. Hypothetically, if given the chance to choose love over the crown, anong pipiliin mo?
Alam naman niya to eh. Sabi ko, this is my mission in life. I'm doing this because this is what I'm called to do it. I want to do it. So for now, if I win, and if you're not gonna agree with it, or if you're not gonna go with it, sorry, I choose the crown.
Oh my God! He must really love you!
Kasi ano eh, parang, ito yun eh, ito yung alam mong gagawin mo sa buhay mo. So pag hindi mo nagawa, if you fail doing it, then parang
It's a
may mga
lifetime
susunod
dream.
mong gagawin, hindi ka contented, or di ba? Parang, kaya alam naman niya yun.
And if he really loves you, magtitiis
Yes,
talaga siya,
yes.
hindi ba?
And in fairness to him, very supportive talaga siya. Nung nagpapapayat ako, talagang pati siya.
Nagpapapayat din.
Badminton kami, nagjo-jogging kami, kahit pagod na siya sa work. Very
Oo.
supportive naman siya. And I'm really thankful kasi kung wala siya, siguro ay nag-give up na ako. Kasi may times talaga na you feel really down. At
Yes.
talaga sinasabi ko sa kanya, siya yung labasan ko eh.
Yes.
So, ayoko na. I give up. Ko, ang hirap na yan. Sabi niya, ano ka ba? Few weeks na lang. Few months na lang. Mauwi na.
Ano na?
Sabi mo, mission mo to, di ba? Sabi niya, tapusin mo.
Oo. Okay, well, we can't let this interview go by without asking mga fun Q&A tungkol naman sa hot issues naman ng bayan. Answer this really quickly and briefly. If you could speak to the girl in the I'm a Liar video, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Ito na sabihin sa'yo.
Oh my gosh! Ano sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Sikat ka na, friend. Pa-picture naman. Kasi parang, in a day, talagang, wow, siya naman ng Facebook eh. Talagang yung unang pasok sa ko, bukoy itong babae ko. Bilis sumikat ah.
Oo.
I respect her. But at the same time, syempre, we have to respect in other people.
Yes, okay. And of course, kung si Shamsi Suksok nagkaroon ng tsunami walk, ano naman ang magiging signature walk mo? Anong pangalan?
Diba? Actually, narinig ko lang sa internet yung Cobra Walk eh.
Cobra Walk! Paano ba yung Cobra Walk? Pwede mo bang isapos sa akin ang Cobra Walk mo na yan?
Sige po.
Para magkaroon tayo ng first glimpse. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Philippines, Janine Taboran sa kanyang Cobra Walk! Can we have music? Dapat may music naman tayo.
Sorry, hanggang. Ito po.
Alright! Maraming salamat, Janine. And of course, behalf of the bus, we wish you the best of luck. And of course, invite them kasi pwede po tayo tumulong kay Janine by voting online. We can help her be part of the semifinals. Diba? Would you like to invite them?
Yes, inviting everyone, ang mga Pilipino po, to please vote for me online. Just go to missuniverse.com and then you can click my photo, you can click vote. Pwede po kayong mag-vote 10 times a day per email address. So kung madami kayong email address, 10 times a day po pwede kayong mag-vote. Ayun po. And please pray for me po kasi I think that's the best weapon I can have in Miss Universe, prayers. The
Correct.
Filipinos prayer.
Correct. Alright. Maraming salamat. We wish you the best of luck. Thank you, Janine, for being a sport.
Thank
At
you.
sana pagbalik mo naman ikaw ang magiging third Miss Universe ng Pilipinas.
Sana po,
diba?
sana.
At ako rin po ay nagpapasalamat kay Pam Quinones, RB Chaco, Jay Wee, Henry Calay, and H. Salon. Happy viewing to Father Jerome Gonzalez Ecotria, Attorney Badong Sabado, the Tito family, and taga Tierra Nevada National High School. Happy birthday to Paulo Leo, Robert Aviado, Ronald and Arlene Villamor, and Albert Mulat. Happy birthday. Alright, once again, thank you for joining us on the bus and for Celebrity True Stories.